Jersey number 8. Jersey number 7, Magpita, corner pass. Olicando, intercept for De La Vega. And there's a foul coming with jersey number 13.
62-44.
That is second foul, 13th foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 5. There's number 18, Kenny. Pass to Andres against Patricio. Pass to Kenny. Back pass. For three is no good. There's number 17. Pass to Rocky Alicante. There's number 13. There's that. In De La Vega. Pass to Marquez. There's number 29. Penetrate. Lace it up. Let's go. There's number 29. Still Marquez. There's a number 17, bounce pass to Magpita. And there's a whistle. Substitution. Foul committed by jersey number 2. That is third foul. First team foul para sa Barangay Panginay. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds to play. 18 seconds shot out. Jersey number 12, Bricio. Looking for the open man, kick a pass to Bacuyo, has a go, spin move, there's a number 17 for shot and ball. But there's a number 2, De La Vega, pass to Penny. Against Magpita, slice the middle, corner pass, has a day, baseline jumper, puts it in, it's good. There's a number 17. Pass to Anyang, score 66-44. At 22, big lead, pass pa naging Panginay for 3, Bacuyo, let's go for 3.
66-47, 19-point lead.
There's number 16, Monica. Meron tayo sa Brugar, Bacuyo, back to back 3. Let's go for 3. Mr. Bacuyo. Score 66-50. There's number 16, Sarsona. There's a number 8, takes it by, using the gas, it's good.
68-50.
Yeah, half-step move for shot, hooks it up, it's not good. There's a number 28, Abrugar. There's a number 16 to Bacuyo again for 3. Not this time. Nice box out, para to step Penny. Back to Sarsonas, exactly 4 minutes to play. Para sa ating third quarter, score 68-50, 18-point lead para sa Barangay Panginay. 12 on the shot clock to Sarsonas. There's a number 16. 8-second shot clock. Pass to Marquez. 4 on the shot clock. There's a number 29. 8 there's a number 28. Pass to running Bacuyo. Lace it up. It's good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 36 seconds play para sa ating second half. Third quarter score 68-52.
16-point lead by Panginay. Ang lakas ng pink jersey ngayon.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 36 seconds to play. Para sa ating third quarter score 68-52. A 16-point lead para sa Barangay